What's going on, boys and girls? Today we're going to be making some pepper hash, or the way they call it nowadays, chutney, pepper chutney, pepper relish. My mom and them used to call it pepper hash. So we're going to make some pepper hash, and it's actually going to be a combination of peppers and onions and tomatoes, jalapeno peppers, all three types of bell peppers, banana peppers. I'd already gotten started on it, and I've done one of these recipes before, so I wasn't going to really make a video. So I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and make a video because I always do these things differently. But it's a really simple thing to do. You guys watch it. Hopefully you'll learn something. Here we go. All right, y'all. Like I said, I've already cored out the peppers. Now you can leave the seeds in there if you want to. We got all different kinds. We got bell peppers. We got banana peppers. We got jalapenos are down there. There's a jalapeno there. We got large jalapeno peppers. So I really don't know how spicy this thing's going to be because I just got a mixture of them because I picked up a whole bunch of them. Got some tomatoes here. Some of them don't look too good, but we're going to put some tomatoes in there. Got an onion. Got some apple cider vinegar. Got a little bit of honey. Some minced garlic. Some Grey Poupon mustard. And some lemon juice. And hold on a second, I'm missing something. Got to have some salt, and you got to have a little bit of Italian seasoning, which you don't really have to have Italian seasoning, but you do have to have a little bit of salt. Let's start chopping stuff up. Alrighty, so we're gonna cut up those peppers like this right here. Cut up the onion. We cored out well, not really cored. We just took out the center part of the tomato, and we put a little line on the bottom of them. And we're gonna blanch these right here just so that we can take the skins off. We're going to keep the rest of the seeds and everything else in there, but we don't want the skin on it. And blanching is the best way to do it. And you just want to drop them in the water for about a minute, 2 minutes or so, guys. Not very long. You don't want to really cook them. You just want to blanch them. So after you get to that point, you want to cool this down real quick, y'all. You can already see the skin lifting off that tomato right there. We're going to cool it down real quick, then we'll throw some ice on it because they're too hot to handle right now. Alrighty, that's the consistency that you want, about like that. You'll still have some pieces in there that are kind of big, but this is why this is homemade, you guys. You know, you're going to see little bits and pieces that are not just all symmetrical. So we're going to get those chopped up, and then we're going to get those skins off the tomatoes, and then we're going to start doing the cooking. Alrighty, we got those skins off of there. We're just going to chop them up, put them in the little grinder thing for a little bit so we can get them into pieces like that. And then we're going to start doing a little cooking. Alrighty, so we got that all chopped up there, and we're going to keep all that liquid in there and everything, guys. So we're going to put this into a nice sized stock pot, and we're going to make some salsa. Alrighty, we're going to just start mixing this in a little bit. We're going to bring this up to a boil. We're going to put a little bit of our garlic in there, a little bit of minced garlic. That's about 2 tablespoons, y'all. If you don't like that much garlic, you know, of course, you don't have to use it. We're going to put in about a teaspoonful of salt. Got to have some salt in there. Going to put in some Italian seasonings. And we're going to put, you know, maybe that's probably 2 teaspoons full of Italian seasonings. Give it a nice little mix. This is going to be so good, y'all. I'm going to put some vinegar. Got to have that vinegar in there. And we're going to put we're going to eyeball it, but we're going to put about a cup in there. And we're going to put about a half a cup of lemon juice. And I'm eyeballing it, so we're going to put about a tablespoon of mustard in there. And then we're going to put about half of a cup of honey in there. You got to have some sweetener with your salsa. Bring this to a boil, let that cook for about 30 minutes. Of course, you're going to have to taste it too, guys, to make sure is where it needs to be. I can almost guarantee you this is probably where it needs to be, y'all, just because I've made it before. Anyway, we're gonna let this come up to a boil. Let it boil for about 30 minutes to let all those flavors get infused in the pepper. And we're gonna put these things in some jars, and we'll have some good old pepper hash or salsa that you can put on greens or on a hot dog or hamburger, anything. So we're gonna bring that up to a boil, and we'll come right back. Alrighty, so it's been about 30 minutes here. Oops. Watch out for the steam. It smells delicious, y'all. We're just gonna have to give it a taste and see what it tastes like. If it tastes like it smells, it's gonna be delicious. Okay, y'all, that was absolutely delicious, and it's got a little bit of a kick to it. I guess there were more jalapenos in it than there were the rest of the peppers. Nice little kick to it. Very good. I don't really think you have to change too much to this right here at all. I guess if you wanted to add some cilantro or something like that, you could. But it's really, really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment on the video. Hit that little thumbs up. It really puts the algorithm out there so more people can see these videos. And y'all have a great day. Peace.